I'm going to start this piece on the 2010 British general election by firstly looking at Adrian Ramsey, who is the Deputy Leader of the Green Party. All facts about Adrian have been taken from an article written by Tony Wardle of Viva. The article appeared in Viva Life, issue 42, winter 2009. Taking a few facts from Tony's article, we can see that Adrian got a first-class honours degree from the University of East Anglia. He became a vegetarian at the age of 13, and after receiving a leaflet on the dairy industry, Adrian has become a vegan. A few of the Green Party's policies on animals are no to vivisection, no to live exports, no to animals in circuses, fur would be banned, the import of exotic species would be banned, all blood sports would be banned, as would zoos, unless they operated a genuine release into the wild policy or were sanctuaries. Tony Wardle, in his article, then asks about factory farming. Adrian responds by saying factory farming would have to go. Locally, Adrian, as a Green Party councillor, has achieved a ban on animal circuses. No goldfish are to be given out as prizes at local fairs, and he has arranged a special toad crossing, whatever that is. Also, Adrian supports Viva's campaign to make Britain foie gras free. So how did Adrian Ramsey do at the general election? He stood for Norwich South. He appears to have come fourth with 7,095 votes, which was 14.92% of the electorate. Not brilliant, but not terrible either. He keeps his deposit of £500 because he got more than 5% of the vote in his constituency. Note that the turnout was 64.56%, which was just below the total national turnout of 65%.